Crunchy Fat Clean friends, Microfiber Wholesale has done it again. They have created a reusable cleaning system. All you need to do is add water and drop in these little pre-made cleaning sheets into your spray bottle, shake it up, and you have a cleaning solution. They have a glass and mirror, they have a bathroom cleaning, and they have an all-purpose cleaner, and they smell amazing. So this way you don't have to just throw out bottles or keep recycling bottles. You save the bottle that you have, and you just buy more of the sheets. I love it. And then you just add water. Microfiber Wholesale. Use these sprays when you're using your Microfiber Wholesale cloths and towels, or when you're mopping, and you're going to love it. And use my link down below and check it out. And comment if you want to see more videos of the sprays in action. And don't forget to check out my Amazon shop. I have everything in categories with cleaning supplies and tools, organizing tools, clothes, supplements, skincare, and more. So check that out, my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.